Hey guys, this is Byron LA and you're watching Girl Talk World.
Hi everyone, this is Carly and welcome to Girl Talk World. Today I'll be taking you behind the scenes of our next step photo shoot. We're at the Pineapple Studios. Say hi to Team TT.
They actually look good, I'm not lying. I'll go now.
What's going on behind the scenes of our photo shoot. We've got them doing moves. So we've been here for a couple of hours now, we've done a couple of looks. I'll show you over here. So this is where we were taking the photos, but now they're having a lunch. You can have a little look. We've got Shelby over here. Right over here. Woo! Right, we'll go see the clothes. So I've been trying these on all day and there's so many. And there's someone actually behind the rail.
What's up? This is half of my wardrobe. I have a lot of clothes. Yeah, I think where's my tracksuit? I think I have the blue tracksuit.
Yeah?
You might catch me in it soon. Doing this look soon, so.
Did you choose that yourself?
I got first dibs on it, yeah. I came early, I saw it, I put my name on it, I'm like, to mine. I'm taking the blue one. Yeah.
Heard it here first. Bye! Si's going to teach me some dance moves.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how well they're going to go, but let's go. What are you teaching me today?
I'm going to be teaching you our arm wave.
Right, okay.
Really simple. So basically you got your fingertips, your wrists, your elbows, and your shoulders. Key components of our arm wave, okay? You start like this, arms up. Cool. We're going to roll through our fingers like this. Wrist, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingertips. Cool. So basically you want to start by curling through your fingers. Keep your fingers together. Don't let the thumb stick out. This looks ugly. Keep the thumb in. Roll through your fingers. Get to your wrist. Boom. Lift your elbow because it travels to your elbow. Then lift your shoulder. Now the beautiful thing about an arm wave is that if you let the arm wave drop, it kills the illusion. So you want to make sure that your arm always goes right back to where it started. It starts exactly where it finished. Cool? So when it's going through, it goes right back to where it started, otherwise it doesn't kill the illusion, or it kills the illusion. Boom, and it goes back to here, and then it comes out on the other side. Boom. Back to where it started. The way I like to think about it is that there's like a ball of energy traveling through my arms from one side to the other. Or you could be like, this is like a bird, cool, like flying. Yeah, exactly. Or like over the roller coaster, because the roller coaster doesn't move or change shape. Boom, and then you're like painting the fence. So whatever you feel like imagining to help you get that wave, that ripple effect, that really helps.
So let's see it in action with you.
So this is the broken down version. Fingertips, wrist, elbow, shoulder, shoulder, elbow, wrist, fingertips.
Okay.
Smooth looks like this. And then if you want to get like real fancy, you could be like twisting with it. Yeah.
Am I gonna do that?
So basically, that's an arm wave.
So if you do it and you pass it on to me.
Bet, you ready? I'm gonna pass it to you. You gotta be ready for it. Pass it back. Hey. There you go. That's the arm wave. Awesome. Good stuff. You got it. Don't leave me hanging. Hey.
And that's a wrap. Hope you like the video. Like, comment, subscribe. And that's a wrap.
Hi everyone, this is Carly and welcome to
Hey, if you like what you just saw. Oh, where's that one?
Hi everyone. Oh, I've done it again.
Hey, if you like what you just saw. What is this?
Hi everyone, this is Carly and welcome to Girl Talk World.
I forgot what I'm saying.
What's up, guys? If you like this video, like it.
Take it too tall.
I'll be taking you behind the scenes of our next step shoot at